Hello, my name is Helena Pulin. I'm from Planmeca Finland, and we are here in IDS show in Cologne. And I want to tell you about our newest invention, Planmeca ProFace. Planmeca ProFace is equipment that can capture patient face photo and CBCT at the same time. Or the facial photo can be captured separately without any radiation. Together with the facial photo and the CBCT, we create the virtual patient for different clinical needs. After the face scan has been captured with our equipment, it can be viewed in our Romexis software. And we can visualize the patient face together with the patient bone and with the patient impression scan. Also, the transparency with the face can be viewed, or the face can be made totally transparent. And if we want to visualize the airways, we can use different colors to visualize the patient sinus and airways areas. Or we can use our finger or use the touchscreen possibilities in our software.